Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Abyssal Maw Angler in Fish It Roblox. So the Abyssal Maw Angler is a legendary nightmare, and it's known for its massive jaws and bioluminescence lure. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get it and also the locations where I got it the most. So for the Abyssal Maw Angler, it is one of the legendary tire fish in the underwater city, and it can be caught anytime and also in any weather. I already caught 5, and there are 2 locations where my favorite spots in the new underwater city. The first one is in this exact locations. So from the entrance, you can just go straight and go right until you see this one, and you can just go down. And as for the next location, it's right near the entrance of the underwater city. It is up here, so you can just climb this up. Oops, sorry. Okay, so this is my next favorite location where I got the Abyssal Maw Angler, and I just use the element rod with singularity bait to get it. So guys, that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.